Did I hear that some of you men, your machine gun is not conking, and some of you ladies are still dry? In this 2024, while I'm here, no way. Join me as I teach you this home remedy to boost your sex drive.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known.
As this 2024 mantra is being sang, no grief for anybody. You also don't need to agree for anybody. If someone charges up 10 times, charge up 20 times, okay? And I'm starting off this charge up drink, this drink that will boost your drive, with dry dates. This is dry dates, and we know that dry dates are very tough to crack. So I'm going to wash it thoroughly and soak it in order to make it soft and able to be cracked. Yes, these dates are locally known here in the motherland, Nigeria, as dabino. Okay, you can call it dabino, you can call it dates. That is the local name, and it's known to be very dry and strong. So I'm going to wash it off to rinse off the dirt, the dust and all that, because it's always exposed to dust and dirt. And after washing it off, I'm going to add more water, which is the water I'm going to use to soak it. I'm going to soak it for a couple of hours so that it will get soft and I can take out the seeds. So that is what I'm doing. So your first ingredient for making this powerhouse drink is dabino, known as date. Hello people, happy new year. Welcome to the year of 2024. If you are new to this channel and you have not given this video a thumbs up, you've not subscribed, you've not turned on that bell notification, hurry up and do it now. Here I have my blender, which I'm going to use in making this powerhouse drink, and this is after so many hours of soaking my date. It is now soft, but not very soft that I can take out the seed, but it's tender enough the blades of my blender can crack this up quickly. So I'm going to be transferring the dates into the blender. All right, so this is the dates, and the next ingredient is tiger nuts. All right, this tiger nut is very good. It's a very good aphrodisiac. It is very rich in boosting your libido, your sexual power and muscle. All right, so I'm going to be adding the tiger nuts into the blender. I already washed this tiger nuts thoroughly, okay, and I washed with salt to remove every dirt and dust. And I'm going to be adding water into my blender because I want to use the water to aid the blending process. Okay, so I'm adding about half cup of water into the blender. And if you're watching till this very time, you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hurry up, I have a lot to spill on this channel. All right, so I'm covering up the blender and I will proceed to blend this. 1, 2, ready, go. Yes, we are back from blending, and I'm going to be filtering out the chaff of this tiger nuts and dates. Of course, we know we need to take out the seeds from the dates, so that is what I'm going ahead to do. So using this filtering instrument in the kitchen, I'm going to use it to filter out the tiger nut milk and the date milk, separating the milk from the chaff, literally. You need to be ready to squeeze this in order to extract all the goodness from the chaff. If not, you'll be trashing valuable nutrients, okay? So just squeeze, 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 squeeze. You can see that milk already dropping into my cup. Keep doing this till you're exhausted and you are done filtering out the milk from the chaff. And I'll see you guys at the other side of the video. So you all, I'm done from filtering all the milk. You can see all that goodness in a cup. This is so concentrated. I can promise you that video is not even doing justice. This is so concentrated, and it's a very good aphrodisiac to take to boost your libido, to boost your drive, to boost your stamina and energy in the other room. Now we are not done yet, so I'm transferring all this milk back into my clean blender. Okay, transfer the milk back, and I'll be adding one very good ingredient that you love to see. Yes, you guessed right, Bananas are very good in enhancing your drive, your stamina. Okay, it makes you very excited. All right, so I'm adding the banana into the blender, and if you've watched till this 5 minutes and you've not subscribed, I am coming to your house. You must subscribe today. So throw in the banana into the milk you have in the blender and go ahead to blend this into perfection, and you will see what the outcome will be. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. I'm back. See the way I'm counting this year. No grief for anybody at all. So I'm transferring all this goodness back into my glass. See how creamy, see how concentrated this is. If you're taking this, nobody can match you, okay? And it is for he and for her, not just for one person. Both of you should take it and get into action, and it's going to be boss in there. See all this goodness in a cup. Very, very, very good. Very, very good to boost your drive, to boost your stamina. So if you're a lady and you're experiencing dryness, take this before you get into action. If you're a man and your machine gun is not conking, you get what I mean? Take this before diving into action, and it's going to be fantastic, mind-blowing in the room. All right, it is going to be very, very interesting in the other room. Now, these are the benefits of this ingredient. We first have date. Date is a natural aphrodisiac. It boosts your drive, your stamina, same as tiger nut. Bananas are packed with potassium used to produce sex hormones. So if you have this in your aphrodisiac drink, you're on your way to satisfaction. With all those ingredients combined are very good in boosting your drive. Now, this drink should be taken before getting into action. 1 glass each is enough. Give him 1 glass, take 1 glass for yourself. Now we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please give a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I share helpful tips on this channel. See you another time. Bye bye.